So what is up, everybody? What's up, man? As you're watching this video, this is your boy Forex Strategy Factory. Oh, been a long time we did analysis of this USD JPY. As you can go back and watch my last video, and I said the USD JPY is on its way to 125, and then we got to 125 until it bounced back, you know. And now this is 2022. This is 2022, and I think today's date is 4 or 5. Yeah, analyzing the USD JPY. We are going to look at the next thing that is left right here. We have seen, let me see, we have seen some kind of buy coming up, right? And this is why I had to run to my chart. Okay, run to my chart, take a look at it. This buy that is forming up, where is it going to end now? Because the value of 125 is broken now. Where are we actually going from here? Okay, I can see next level of 129. Yeah, this is from the weekly chart or monthly. Yep. Yes, this is monthly, man. Yes, that is the next level that I'm looking at. 129. 129. But I'm not telling you to take any trade from the monthly. I've just used it for basic analysis. I'm looking at monthly, going to 129. And this 129, this can get here within 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You know, doesn't matter when, but we're going to 129. Now, let's say we understand that we are going to 129. Okay, now let's go back to the weekly and see what is going on. You can see the weekly now pointing up, showing you that yes, the up is winning for real, and this is going to get to 129. Okay, this is the analysis on the weekly. All right, let's go to the daily and see what we got right here. Yeah, we've seen the daily bounce back to 122. Okay, from 125. Now, if you're going to take this signal right now to buy on this USD JPY, okay. Anyway, you know me that I'm not going to even share signal on my YouTube channel, man, but I can give analysis of the market. But if you want to know how we're going to share this signal later when our setup is set, you can come and join my WhatsApp group. That is where we're going to share this signal of this analysis. Yeah, you are welcome anytime you join my WhatsApp group. You can follow up this signal. We've seen the daily on a bullish strong up. No problem. Let's go to the 4 hour and see what we got. What is going on here? Yeah, you can see the 4 hour pullback bouncing up. And what was this one saying too? There is a TP level somewhere around here, but you know, we will tell you we are on the bullish up. Okay, we're going to 129, and all the levels we're gonna break, we're gonna be telling you in our own WhatsApp group. You get into our WhatsApp group. That is where you can follow me with this this signal. Okay, our own buy formation is almost complete. Look at the 1 hour. It's a very strong up. Okay, but what we're waiting for now, at this point, at this date, April 5, 2022. We're just waiting for this USD JPY to give us a final bullish signal. When we get our own final bullish signal, then we can start to share this signal in our group. Okay, so there's no point to worry about anything or try to rush. Everything is all about patience. You know, a patient dog will always eat the fattest bone. You have to be patient, man. So, for those of you new to this channel, you go to the link under the description of this channel. Maybe the only link you're going to see there is the link that will get you to my WhatsApp group. Join if you want to participate in this type of signal, man. You know, for those of you already on my YouTube channel or my WhatsApp group, yes, this is the signal you are expecting to come. And then when it gives us the final go ahead to buy, then you will see the signal, the kind of signal we're gonna give. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and like.